Let's cook Japanese chicken karaage. So these are our ingredients. 1 kilo chicken thigh, 1 tablespoon sake, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, minced garlic, egg, potato starch, and cooking oil for frying. This is Kiel and my wife Len, who prepared all the ingredients for our Japanese chicken karaage. So before anything else, please click to subscribe and hit the bell button. So let's start. Combine the soy sauce, sake, sugar, ginger, garlic, and chicken. Cover it with plastic and marinate for 15 minutes in the fridge. Then add the egg and potato starch to the marinated chicken and mix well. We use potato starch in this recipe. Then we heat the oil and fry the chicken until golden brown. 6 minutes on each side. By the way, if you have no potato starch available, you can use either cornstarch or all-purpose flour. After 6 minutes, flip to the other side and continue to fry. Then remove from the oil. And here is our Japanese chicken karaage. Enjoy! In behalf of my wife Len, this is Kiel, who do all the videos, the video editing, and the musical scoring. Hope you enjoy our recipe for today. Till our next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Brighter Life for more upcoming videos.